Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix fail to follow problem on Bigo Live. So guys, if you are trying to follow someone on Bigo Live but you are unable to follow him and you see the message that unable to follow or fail to follow, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that simply go back to your home screen. And now you have to open your settings and now scroll it below, tap on general and tap on iPhone storage, and from here scroll it below and find Bigo Live. From here it is. Now tap on offload app and you have to simply offload your Bigo Live for one time, and after this you have to go to your App Store or Play Store and search here for Bigo Live. Here it is. And now you have to download and install the latest version of Bigo Live in your device. So I do this, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.